Hello, this is Vijay Sambasivam, and in this video, we are going to talk about a very popular business analysis certification, the ECBA certification. ECBA stands for Entry Certificate in Business Analysis, and it is from the International Institute of Business Analysis, very commonly referred as the IIBA. The IIBA is a non-profit professional organization based in Canada serving the field of business analysis. The ECBA certification covers the foundational knowledge on how to approach business analysis in line with the business analysis body of knowledge from the IIBA. The Business Analysis Body of Knowledge, or BABOK, is the globally recognized standard for the practice of business analysis. The BABOK guide describes business analysis knowledge areas, tasks, underlying competencies, techniques, and perspectives on how to approach business analysis. The ECBA certification is very popular, especially because there is no business analysis work experience required to appear for the exam. So, any fresh graduates with no experience or any professional with very little business analysis experience can attend the exam and get certified. Let's talk about the benefits of getting ECBA certified. A ECBA certification holder, you are able to stand out from the crowd. The ECBA certification showcases to the world that you have the core knowledge and competencies in the field of business analysis. Number two, you are able to leverage the knowledge gained during your preparation for the ECBA certification exam and perform as a better business analyst. Your overall performance improves with all the acquired knowledge. Number three, you're opening your resume to the job market with a lot more opportunities. And the fourth, and my personal favorite, you get a personal sense of satisfaction, a sense of accomplishment when you hit your first certification in business analysis. It is a major milestone in your business analysis career. In the next video, we'll talk about the eligibility, the requirements, and certain tips required for the ECBA certification preparation. Thanks for watching.